guys, welcome back to Foodie Families. My name is Miss Chelsea. If this is the first time that you're joining us, this week we are going to be making pizza from scratch. I am super excited for this one. This is one that I remember doing when I was younger with my mom. I got to build my own pizza with all the toppings that I liked. And I'm really enjoying doing this with my little ones as they get older. Just a reminder before we get started to tie your hair back or wear a hat if you've got longer hair or short hair and you can't tie it back. Wash your hands, especially if you're going to be cooking for other people. Make sure you have all your ingredients and equipment ready before you start cooking. And most importantly, enjoy yourselves. Alright, let's get to our tutorial. Alright, so for this recipe, I've got Mr. Dean helping me out. We're making our pizza. For our pizza, we are going to make some pizza sauce. We're using Marinara. Pepperonis. Some cheese. We are doing a mixture of mozzarella and Italian style. And of course, we also need, our pizza dough. You can use homemade pizza dough or store-bought. We made ours. Are you picking it up? Can you hand it to Mommy? Thank you. And we are also going to brush our crust with some olive oil. To start with, before we get to making our pizzas, we set our oven to 400 degrees. Parents need to make sure that they are the ones. Parents need to make sure they're the ones that are setting the stove and using any sharp objects. I have a pizza stone that I'm going to be using. Okay. If you don't have a pizza stone, you can use a pan of your metal pan of your choice. Just make sure you grease it. And when your pizza's done, you'll also need a pizza cutter. All right, we're going to start making our pizza. We are going to cook, honey. All right, first we need to flour our surface. All right, buddy. I'm going to go ahead and take my pizza dough out onto my surface. And I'm going to cut mine in half and I'm going to save. I'm going to go ahead and cut it in half and save part of it for later. Put the rest of that in the bowl. I'm going to cut this in half again. And I'm going to use this small piece to make a small thing. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and roll it into a ball.
Hi.
Yes, hi, buddy. Roll it into a ball, and then I'm going to flour my rolling pin. I'm going to roll my pizza dough out. Alright, once you've got it about the way you want it, it's when we're going to start adding our toppings. Okay, for our toppings, we are going to be adding some pizza sauce. I'm going to get this open. Get a spoon. Oh, you got to roll it out some more. Alright, buddy. We're ready for our toppings. Let's set this on to the side. Alright. For our toppings, we're going to add... Don't do that, honey. Don't. Alright, ready for our toppings? Here you go. For our toppings, we're going to add some sauce. Alright, we need more. Here, get some more. Here, get some more. Okay, a little bit more. Alright, now we're going to take our spoon and we're going to mix it around. Okay, can you spread that around for me? Good job. Alright, Mommy's going to add a little bit more. Don't pull the dough. We don't want to make it too thin, buddy. Mommy's going to add just a little bit more. All right, next we're gonna add, what do you think we add next, Axel? You add cheese next. Do you want to add some cheese? Don't eat the raw dough. Nope, don't eat the raw dough. All right, ready to add cheese? You ready to add some cheese? Yeah. Okay. Here.
Oh, that's.
Hold on. Yeah. All right, take some cheese and sprinkle it on top. You sprinkle it. Good job. And some more. Take some more. Get some more. Here, get some more out of the bag. Oh, you want to take Mommy's? Okay. Here, why don't you get some more out of the bag? I'll hold it. All right, sprinkle some where there's no cheese. Good job. All right. Now we're going to put some mozzarella on there. Hold on. No, let's stop. Here. Some mozzarella. Good job. Here, let's put some cheese where there's not any cheese yet. And get some more cheese. Put some right there. Good job. Let me add a little bit more on the edges. Good job. All right, now it's time for our pepperonis. Now it's time for pepperoni.
Oh, those. I want those.
You want to put some of those on there?
Here.
Put some pepperonis on there. Great, gotta take them apart. Gotta take them apart. Here, gotta take them apart. And put some more pepperoni on there. Make sure you take them apart before you put them in there. Put some more in there.
No.
Put one there. Put one over here. Good job. Think it needs more?
That's more.
Oh, you need more?
That's more.
I'm not dumping them on there. We're gonna make another pizza.
Here.
Here. All right, good job. Now what do we do? Let's see, put it in the oven. All right, I think that's enough pepperonis. All right, ready to put it in the oven?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll put it in the oven.
Oh, I it.
Look. Do you like it? You did a good job, buddy. Knuckles. Good job. Did you enjoy making pizza?
Yeah.
Are you ready to? Alright guys, that's all I have for you for this week for Foodie Families. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Bye! Okay guys, and this is my little one Axel. He's going to be showing us what ingredients we need. Gotta say it out loud. Pizza dough. We need our pizza dough, and then what are these?
Those are pizza doughs.
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Cheese.